In a significant move, the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, has taken a decisive step towards preserving net neutrality, a principle that ensures equal access to the Internet for all users. With a 3-2 vote in favor, the FCC reinstated rules that prohibit broadband providers from throttling or blocking Internet traffic and prioritize access based on financial incentives. This action marks a return to the regulations put in place during the Obama administration in 2015, which were subsequently rolled back in 2017. Let's delve into the implications of this decision and what it means for the future of the Internet landscape. Why net neutrality matters. Net neutrality is not merely about fair access to the Internet. It's about safeguarding the fundamental principles of innovation, freedom of expression, and competition online. By ensuring that all Internet traffic is treated equally, regardless of source or content, net neutrality fosters an environment where small startups have the same opportunities to thrive as established corporations. Without these protections, there's a risk of creating a tiered Internet where only those who can afford to pay extra fees receive preferential treatment, stifling creativity and limiting access for millions of users. Addressing concerns, opponents of net neutrality often raise concerns about excessive regulation and stifling innovation. However, FCC Chairwoman Jessica Rosenworcel refutes these arguments, emphasizing that existing regulations, such as Title II, have not hindered innovation in other areas. Moreover, she highlights the inconsistency in the FCC's approach, citing examples where the agency has taken action to protect national security interests, but failed to address similar concerns in the broadband sector. The path forward. While the reinstatement of net neutrality rules is a significant victory for advocates, it's important to recognize that the battle is far from over. Legal challenges and potential legislative changes could threaten the stability of these regulations in the future. However, with the support of a friendly administration and continued advocacy efforts, there's hope that net neutrality will be enshrined in law, providing long-term protection for Internet users. The FCC's decision to reinstate net neutrality rules is a step in the right direction towards ensuring a free and open Internet for all. By upholding the principles of fairness and equality online, we can foster innovation, protect consumers, and preserve the integrity of the digital landscape. As we navigate the challenges ahead, it's imperative to remain vigilant and advocate for policies that prioritize the interests of Internet users over corporate interests. Net neutrality is not just a policy, it's a fundamental principle that shapes the future of our digital world.